Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 26th, and this is my recap of the top field videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, gold, really, for the most part, gold definitely did continue to drift up today. Another really good day for trend traders. I mean, if you've been following along with my videos, you probably had some amazingly good profitable trades over the last several weeks. Even though we are in all-time highs on gold, I've been telling everybody to continue to go long every single chance you get because all the higher time frames are still in a wave 3. There's no signs of the wave 3 being over. And actually, the very high time frames is actually leading to me to believe that we may actually have a lot more upside potential on gold. So I would definitely still continue to focus on longs. I would try to go long, especially at three-wave pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend, at least until the higher roadmap timeframes tell us otherwise. So we do have a couple pretty good news events over the next 24 hours. This evening, which is 12:30 in the morning my time, so I definitely will be sleeping. But we got JPY CPI inflation data coming out for Japan tonight. And then tomorrow for the New York session, we got GDP for the CAD and we got PCE price index for the dollar and consumer sentiment, obviously, too. So we got a few pretty good news events to end the week. Hopefully, we can end the week on a really good high note. Definitely been a really good, profitable week for me, for sure. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.